guys, welcome to my channel Dev Online. In this tutorial of JavaScript, today we are going to learn switch statement. In the last video, we was learn about if else and if else statement. It's like little bit similar thing. So the switch statement is a part of JavaScript conditional statements, which are we use to perform different action based on different conditions. Like if somebody says, oh, not this, I need this. So that's why we define some switch cases. If the person say, oh no, I cancel this one, I need this one. So it will be change the case and provide the same answer. So the switch statement evaluates an expression, like the value of the expression is then compared with the value of each case in the structures. So let me give you one example. Like here is one example I did before. Let me remove this and write it again with explanation how we can make and how we can write switch cases in the JavaScript. So first of all, I'm going to create one variable which is called grade, and grade have value is a. So actually grade have only one value, which is a. And down I'm going to write document dot write, and the write I'm just giving him example like entering to switch statement. This is just information that we are going to enter in switch statements. So after this, first now is the work how we can use switch statement. So we calling here switch, and then what we have to switch, we have to switch the grade variable we need to switch. And how we can switch? So we give him some cases. Now we need to provide some cases, some objectives, like if the person say I'm sorry, like a case, the grade, it's if he have a grade, so what we should give him result, what we should give him response. So we going to write again on the HTML like document.write, and we give him the response is good job. We're going to give him good job. Here I'm just adding a breakpoint so we can easily. So now you can see here, if the student got a grade A, so we already answered them good job. Now here we're going to break. The break statement basically indicate the end of a particular case. If they were omitted, the interpreter will continue executing each statement in each of the following. We will be explain break statement in the loop control section when we're going to the loop control chapter. So I will be explain clearly the break section. For now, you just say after each case we have to break them and start another case. So here I'm calling case and grade B. So if somebody got grade B on his education level or something, what we give him reply. So we say pretty good job. Then now again I'm just adding one break line here, and after this we need to use the break statement. So basically like this we can use switch and case. So if I'm going to show you the result, let me again open entering to switch statement good job. Wait, let me add here so we can see clearly how is the answer. So now you can see after entering to the switch, so we got the result good job. Why is good job here? Because the grade, the person got the grade A. if the person got grade B, what should be the result here? The result should be changed. Pretty good job. Pretty good job. That's how his switch cases work. If, for example, on the back end, we use mostly this JavaScript. So here I'm going to show you another we can use. So if somebody got, for example, C grade, what we going to response? It's very easy thing to use, and we don't have to write again, oh, you got C grade. So once write, and whenever the results come up, it automatically goes by this, your answer, what's your want to say to these grades. So if we now go by grade C and we look it out here, so it's say passed. There is another thing have here is default function. Let's have to is default. For example, if there is no one A, B, C, so what should be the default result come up? We say default, and then they say document dot right. If there is a default value means if there is no value in the grade, not A, B, C, so what should be? So now we can call here unknown grade. Okay, I'm just using the break HTML element. So let me remove this C, and now we can refresh. So you can see here unknown grade. If, for example, if somebody doesn't know about the grade, so the result should become like that. So I hope you guys understand the logic of switch case statement, how it works. If you guys have any questions, please comment below. See you in the next video.